Welcome back to Brighter Travel, where we shine a light on the most amazing places to visit. Today we're counting down the top 15 vacation spots in the USA, from the best of the best to those that might not be for everyone. Whether you love breathtaking nature, vibrant cities, or family fun, this list has something for you. Let's jump in. At number 15 we have Hawaii. Hawaii is on our list as a tropical paradise offering diverse island experiences. Each island has something unique to offer, from the bustling streets of Honolulu and Waikiki Beach to the serene beauty of Kauai and Maui's road to Hana. Hawaii's lush landscapes, active volcanoes, and crystal clear waters make it a dream destination. Visitors can snorkel with sea turtles, hike dramatic volcanic craters, and indulge in fresh poke bowls while enjoying the aloha spirit. The best time to visit is during the shoulder seasons of spring and fall, avoiding peak tourist months. At number 14, we have Carmel by the Sea, California. This charming coastal village is a haven for artists and dreamers. Known for its storybook-like cottages, stunning ocean views, and dog-friendly atmosphere, Carmel by the Sea is a perfect retreat. Visitors can stroll along Carmel Beach, explore the picturesque shops and galleries, or take in the breathtaking scenery at Point Lobos State Reserve. Whether sipping wine at a local tasting room or enjoying fresh seafood, this quaint town feels like a step back in time. Fall is the ideal time to visit, with mild weather and fewer tourists. At number 13, we have Napa Valley, California. Napa Valley is synonymous with luxury, relaxation, and world-class wine. This idyllic region boasts sprawling vineyards, top-notch dining experiences, and charming boutique hotels. Wine enthusiasts can enjoy tastings of renowned wineries, take a hot air balloon ride over the valley, or unwind with a spa day. Beyond wine, the farm-to-table cuisine and scenic drives through the vineyards add to Napa's appeal. For the best experiences, visit during the harvest season from August to October when the vineyards are at their peak. Number 12 is Grand Canyon National Park, Arizona. A true natural wonder, the Grand Canyon inspires awe with its vast size and intricate layers of red rock. This iconic national park offers hiking, rafting, and scenic viewpoints that provide unparalleled views of the Colorado River cutting through the canyon. Watching the sunrise at Mother Point or hiking the Bright Angel Trail are unforgettable experiences. Late spring and early fall are the best times to visit, offering cooler temperatures and fewer crowds. At number 11, we have Seattle, Washington. Seattle blends vibrant city life with access to stunning natural landscapes. Visitors can enjoy iconic landmarks like the Space Needle, explore Pike Place Market, or take a ferry to the nearby islands. The city is also a gateway to outdoor adventures including hiking in Mount Rainier National Park or whale watching in the Puget Sound. With its thriving coffee culture and lush greenery, Seattle offers a little bit of everything. Plan your visit between July and September to enjoy the clearest weather. At number 10, we have Portland, Oregon. Portland is a quirky city that caters to foodies, natural lovers, and book enthusiasts alike. Known as the City of Roses, it boasts beautiful gardens, a vibrant food truck scene, and the famous Powell City of Books. Just outside the city, the Columbia River Gorge offers waterfalls and scenic hiking trails. The International Rose Test Garden is a must-see in summer, while fall provides a cozy backdrop for exploring the city's coffee shops and craft breweries. At number 9, we have Yellowstone National Park, Wyoming. As America's first national park, Yellowstone is a treasure trove of geothermal wonders and wildlife. Geysers like Old Faithful and the colorful Grand Prismatic Spring draw millions of visitors annually. The park's diverse landscapes range from lush forests to open plains, where bison, bears, and wolves roam freely. Visitors can enjoy hiking, camping, and fishing amidst its breathtaking scenery. Late spring and early fall are the best time to avoid heavy crowds and enjoy mild weather. At number 8, we have Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Nestled in the Smoky Mountains, Gatlinburg is a family-friendly destination offering outdoor adventures and exciting attractions. Visitors can explore Great Smoky Mountains National Park, ride thrilling coasters at Dollywood, or admire panoramic views from the Gatlinburg Sky Bridge. With its charming downtown and Appalachian culture, Gatlinburg is a great mix of fun and relaxation. Fall is particularly stunning with vibrant foliage adding to the beauty. Number 7 on our list is San Diego, California. San Diego is a laid-back coastal city with something for everyone. Its sunny beaches, vibrant nightlife, and family-friendly attractions make it a perfect getaway. Highlights include La Jolla Cove, the world-famous San Diego Zoo, and the historic Gaslamp Quarter. Visitors can enjoy outdoor adventures like surfing and hiking, or indulge in delicious Mexican cuisine. San Diego's year-round pleasant weather makes it a great destination anytime, though spring offers fewer crowds. At number 6, we have Washington, D.C. Washington, D.C. is rich in history and culture, offering free museums, national monuments, and government landmarks. The National Mall is a must-visit with attractions like the Lincoln Memorial, the Smithsonian Museum, and the Capitol Building. Spring is an ideal time to visit as the cherry blossoms around the tidal basin create a magical atmosphere. At number 5, we have Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Myrtle Beach is a lively destination known for its family-friendly activities and 60 miles of sandy shoreline. From the iconic Skywheel to live entertainment at Broadway at the beach, there is no shortage of fun. Visitors can relax by the ocean, enjoy thrilling water sports, or explore local shops and restaurants. The summer months are the most popular, offering warm weather and plenty of activities. Number 4 on our list is Anaheim, California. Anaheim is synonymous with magic thanks to Disneyland Resort. Beyond the theme park, the city is close to beautiful beaches and offers a variety of dining and shopping experiences. Families can spend their days meeting favorite characters, enjoying rides, and catching live shows. Visiting during the off-season from mid-January to mid-March ensures a less crowded experience. At number 3, we have Charleston, South Carolina. Charleston charms visitors with its cobblestone streets, historic homes, and southern hospitality. This coastal city is perfect for strolling through historic districts, exploring plantations, and dining on low country cuisine. Highlights include Rainbow Row in the Battery. Spring and fall are the best times to visit, offering mild weather and blooming gardens. At number 2, we have Lake Geneva, Wisconsin. Lake Geneva is a romantic escape with its serene lakefront views and quaint atmosphere. Visitors can enjoy hot air balloon rides, walk the Geneva Lakeshore Path, or relax at a luxury spa. With charming bed and breakfast and boutique shops, it's an ideal getaway for couples. Summer is the perfect time to enjoy outdoor activities in the beautiful lake. And finally, at number 1, we have Orlando, Florida. Orlando is the ultimate destination for family fun, with world-renowned theme parks like Walt Disney World, Universal Orlando Resort, and SeaWorld. The city offers endless excitement. Visitors can also enjoy shopping, dining, and entertainment at Disney Springs or Icon Park. For a less crowded experience, visit between late January and mid-February. Thanks for exploring the USA's top vacation spots with Brighter Travel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel inspiration. Let me know in the comments which destination is your favorite or where you're planning to visit next. Until next time, stay bright and keep traveling.